History repeats itself. Okay, you got XRP coming down here. We're down to $1.13. Let's mark that off, that low. Okay, this on a monthly chart. Came down right to there. All right, we have closing candles over here. One, two. We have two monthly closing candles. A bunch of them right in that area. Right. What do we got on a fib with this pullback? Let's take a look. Going to show you some cool stuff here that ought to get you pretty pumped up, right? All right, let's go from the low up, and what do we got? Wow, that's beautiful. And I always said, you know, and I haven't been watching XRP that much, the chart here, but if you can get a token at the 786, man, oh man, that normally turns out to be either a great buy or the worst buy of your life, and it dies and goes. All right, but with a big token like XRP, man, oh man, a 786, holy cow, that is a prime target right there, boy. This thing came down to what, $1.12 roughly. Man, oh man, I don't have a ton of XRP, but in my opinion, just my opinion, okay, not financial advice, man, oh man, I'll be loading up right here. You talk about a prime time spot. Wow. And the reason, if we come over here and look at Bitcoin, I want to show you something here, and hang with me here, okay? It's not that complicated. But somebody out there will make it that way, right? Somebody always does, right? We have our high here in 2017, okay? We got our high, all right? Over here, you had the bull run in 2021, boom, 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 boom. Then you had your run back down, and where did it stop? Right back on the top of 2018. That proved to be a bottom, okay? Then we marched back up. We had our bull run. 2025, and then what did we do? We pulled back to where we retested the top of 2021. Okay, so you had your 2017 high, you had your 2021 bull market, came back down. The low proved to be the retest of the top, and it marched back up. All right, marched back up, came back down, retested what? The top of 2021. Okay, and let me show you something else. We use a Fibonacci a lot. If you would, please hit that like and subscribe, guys. I'm a small channel. I appreciate each and every single member more than you know. And you guys over in Discord, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys. Thank you. Let's get back to killing it here. I had to take a break here. I had a lot of stuff on my hands. It was killing me not to be trading every day. I'm back. All right. So if you want to come over and join us in Discord, it's in the description of the video. Please check it out. It's only $15. It supports the channel a lot. You get 10 hours of videos. Teach how to use all this stuff, draw trend lines, use the pib, Elliott waves, 10 hours of videos, and a link to the Discord to come trade with us. All right, we have over 100 members. We would love to have you. Look where Bitcoin ended up here, right back in that golden pocket. Nice, right? That's what we're looking for. I'm not saying Bitcoin's going to run up now to $1 million, but I think a very good chance the bottom is there, and consolidate, maybe run and up and down, consolidate through here before we march up to our next bull run, right? Very good chance the big drop is over. What would that mean? That would mean that there's a very good chance that the altcoins, a lot of them have bottomed. What do you have here? You have XRP retesting a very solid area. You have a 786 pullback, which is incredible, right? I mean, if you go up here, if you take your fib from there, that's 786. Man, oh man, I'm telling you, with a token like this is a top 10 token, right? This is a phenomenal area to get this thing, man. Let's take a look. Wow, it really pulled through over here, didn't it? If you come up here, look at that. That almost like double bottom. Look at that. Holy cow. That's crazy. That thing came way back down through 32 cents. I remember the days of 16 cents with blockchain backer. I haven't watched him for a minute, but I love his videos, man. That dude is the best. He's awesome. I really like blockchain backer a lot. He got me watching videos all the time. Him and BitBoy. BitBoy was awesome, man. You got to admit, in his prime, when he was when he had his shit together, that guy was great, wasn't he? Whatever, regardless of what you think about him now, very entertaining. But I don't know. Everybody's got their opinions, right? I mean, that's just life. But I wish the best for him. I wish the best for everybody. I don't wish bad luck on anyone. All right, but we got this 786 pullback here, and check this out, right? You come in and look at XRP. This thing is setting up beautifully, isn't it? I mean, if you're looking at the chart, a break of this trend line, woo-wee, you're talking, that would be a beautiful run right there. Got to get back up above that moving average too. That's the what is that? That's a 9 EMA. Should have a 200 on there. I'm gonna lock that and put an alarm on that, because when that gets up there, I want to long that sucker when it comes up here and breaks that. Right? I want to be in on that, and that's what we do over in Discord. So come join us. If you're looking for a place to trade, I got a link for weeks in the description of the video too. What also makes me think that this, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. That proves to be a bottom a lot of times also, right? I really truly believe that this is the bottom. In my opinion, I don't think it's going lower. I think here you're probably going to have, if you come in on a daily, I'm going to be watching this thing, because I might be into an XRP long here. Right through here, you got, look at it, flagging up, wedging up, whatever you want to call it. Look at this. You got your bottom there. You got one on the top, right through here. Get that thing wedging up. When it breaks, boom, to the upside. I don't think it's coming back down for a double bottom or anything. I think it's a very good chance to break to the upside. Daily RSI, not oversold that very much at all. It's at a 46 roughly down here. Right, your weekly looks perfect. Wow, look at that. And your monthly, look at that. That's beautiful, man. I mean, this thing, it looks like it's set up to me. The 12-hour looks very, very good. I think it's getting in that range, through here. If you take a fib once again, put it up here, look where you're at. The golden pocket, 618, 702. Look where it came down to and bounced. That's 702. Right there, boom. You have to put the 702 in manually in your Fibonacci. So if you go in there, if you click on your Fibonacci, and it's just going to settings up here. All right, then you go into what is it? Visibility. Yeah, visibility. Or wait, style. There you go. Now you put 0.702 in yourself. Alright, check a box. Like here, check that box and put it in yourself, and put your color in that you want for it. Alright, and it'll put the 702 in there for you. Look, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. Consolidation sideways here inside of a wedge. I will be trading this also. I'm putting alarms on that. This is stuff, man. This is where you make money, guys, in the market, whether it goes up or down, right? Put an alarm on that. When it breaks, this will turn out to be, move up. You're looking at, roughly a 10% move. On a 20x, you're going to, double your money. So if you throw $500 on it, if you win that trade, you're going to make $1,000, right? Double your money trade there. If you go 30x, whatever, it's 30x, you're going to three times your money, You have $100 on it, you're looking at 300, making 300. Right? That's what I love about leverage trading. Doesn't matter if the market's going up or down, man. You trade it with leverage, and you make money. You lose some too. That happens. I mean, that's part of the game. You don't win them all. If that was the case, it'd be way too easy. Everybody would do it, right? But everybody wants a way out of the 9 to 5. 9 to 5 working for somebody else sucks. You want to be on your own and do your own thing and be your own boss, and this gives you the opportunity to do that. It does. That's what I love about trading. Gives you the opportunity to be your own boss, do your own thing. You can move to an island in the Pacific, or wherever you want to go. You want to go to Alaska and live in a tent in the woods. All you need is internet to make a living trading. You're your own boss. You do what you want. That's what I love about it. It's awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. I love you. Please hit that like and subscribe. Come join the Discord and get in there with us. And I'll talk to you soon.